Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the great biker movies to watch.
Hells Angels on Wheels in exciting color.
Those who love motorcycles as a whole might also be yearning for feature films that portray the love for bikes or the madness surrounding them. A number of biker movies have been made over the past few decades, and here we are discussing some of the best ones. Easy Rider. Easy Rider follows two drug-dealing bikers named Billy and Wat as they ride from Los Angeles to New Orleans to find client and discover more of America. This is the role that is also credited for changing Jack Nicholson's career trajectory, plucking him from B-list status into the A-list. Harley Davidson and the Marlboro Man. Here is a movie where four characters are named after motorcycle brands. In it, two childhood friends, Harley Davidson and Marlboro, give themselves the mission to save their once favorite hangout joint when they became aware that it's facing closure over unpaid loans to a bank. They go ahead, hijack the bank's armored vehicle. However, shock lands on them when they discover that the vehicle contains a new street truck called the Crystal Dream and not money.
Never play Cowboys, the pool is full.
You guys are a piece of...
Eye of the Tiger. Imagine Rambo First Blood with biker gang members substituting the cops, and you get an idea of what this movie is about. Eye of the Tiger stars a badass Gary Busey back when his character didn't die in every movie. He's Buck, a military veteran who comes back home from Vietnam to find that his town is being colonized by a biker gang. Buck becomes Super Buck and decides to fight the bikers and drive them away. There's no shortage of action with fist fights, kung fu kicks, and motorcycle chases happening every few minutes.
Sometimes when I was in prison.
Hells Angels on Wheels. Before Easy Rider, Jack Nicholson also starred in this biker film. Nicholson plays a gas station attendant named Poet, who impresses the Hells Angels biker gang and ends up being absorbed into their circle. Since Poet has spent most of his life in solitude, he is initially glad to be a part of a group of tough guys. However, his conscience soon kicks in when he witnesses the gang's brutal crimes, including robbery and murder.
The Hells Angels of Northern California riding Hells Angels on Wheels in exciting color.
Hell Ride. Hell Ride was directed by Larry Bishop, who also stars as Prez, the leader of South California gang known as the Victors. The plot revolves around the gang's efforts to avenge the killing of a fellow gang member. Motorcycle gang members really stand up for each other. Bishop confessed to coming up with the idea of the movie after being shown a script for a different film by Quentin Tarantino. He realized there hadn't been a popular biker film in the 2000s, so he and Quentin contacted Bob Weinstein to have the movie made. Stone Cold. Stone Cold is not about the wrestler, but how cool would it be if he starred in a remake? The movie, which is packed with 90s action movie tropes, and about a cop from Alabama who takes an undercover gig for the FBI. The gig involves infiltrating a murderous biker gang in the south of Mississippi. The gang is not only involved in drugs, but it also plans to murder the district attorney and free a member who has been arrested.
Cover cop, doing a good job.
The World's Fastest Indian. This title might mislead you. The movie revolves around New Zealand bike racer Burt Munro, played by Anthony Hopkins, and his obsession with making his old Indian Scout motorcycle the fastest bike in the world. He spends a lot of time modifying the bike and trying to make it move like a Ferrari 5110 BBI. Initially, the bike has a top speed of 58 mph. But after the modifications, the speed shoots to 201 mph. Munro ends up winning a race with the bike and setting a world speed record.
He's got no parachute, he's got no brake.
Now,